Hello, it's the GM Twin. Welcome to our channel. So, this is our baking journey. Everything we have done lately. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Kitchen is helping. So firstly, wash your hands. This is so important. Next step is to pour out 2.5 cups of flour into a bowl with a sieve and sieve it out. Yes, this will help for a smoother texture. This is very important. You can see me sieving it out, then pour that out, not needed. So the next step is to add a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. There it goes. There it goes. So mix it together with a spoon or your hands. Yeah, keep on mixing. So the next step is to move aside the flour mixture. So lay out the ingredients for the wet mixture. So you can see in this bowl there's a butter. That's 1 cup of butter. A sugar, 1/2 cup, and an egg. Yes, an egg, and vanilla extract as well. So, pour out the sugar in the bowl, the 1/2 cup of sugar, add the butter, yes, add the butter, just like that.
I can't forget the day we met, your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met.
After doing this, mix together with a spoon thoroughly. And don't forget, you can either mix with a spoon or an electric mixer. It's your choice. As I always say, it's your choice. So mix it properly. There we go. So the next step is to wash an egg and break it into the mixture. Don't forget to mix thoroughly as well. Yes, wash your egg. Then break it into the mixture and mix thoroughly. Yeah, just like that. So add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into the mixture, then mix it together.
With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, be waiting for you.
like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. The GM twins. So the next step is to pour out the wet mixture into the flour mixture. Mix firstly with a long spoon, then knead with your hands later on. So you keep on kneading until there's no speck of flour and it kind of comes together. You mix for like 5 minutes. Pour it all in, every single bit of that. So you can see me mixing with a long spoon. Then afterwards, I'm using my hands. It might take time, but you just keep on pressing and pushing. Yeah, just like that. As long as your mind is in it, it's not hard at all. So put out a little portion with your beautiful hands and roll into a round shape. Just like those beautiful hands. Yes, roll into a round shape with your fingers. Lay it all out on the baking tray. There we go. There we go. So to flatten the dough into desired shapes, you can use the back of a glass cup just like I did, or you could use a biscuit cutter. So that's the glass cup. You can use the back of any kind of glass cup. Then press it in firmly, but remove gently. Just like that. Just like that. It came out good. So afterwards, you sprinkle some sugar on the dough. Very essential because this is a sugar cookie, so obviously there's a lot of sugar involved. So sprinkle it, sprinkle it, sprinkle. Yeah. So we're done with that. Are you enjoying the music? Because I am. So now it's time to place this dough into the oven, but preheat the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes. And when the dough is in the oven, make sure you check it because sometimes it gets done before 15 minutes. Yeah, it all depends on how hot the oven was before placing the dough. Don't forget that. So I'm placing the dough into the oven. You can see those lovely fingers. There we go. So I came up with an idea to brew a tea. It tastes very great with sugar cookies, so stay tuned and see how I did it. It's so fun to watch. So fun. See the flames. The flames. An hot cup of tea is so good for this season, so it's nice with the cookies as well. So you can see me throwing in a bag of Lipton. Or is it a green tea? Okay, it's a green tea. There it goes. See the water taking over. Oh, smell the scent rather. The scent smells so nice. So make it brew for about 5 minutes. Before you know it, the sugar cookies will be done. Yay! Surprise! We did it! That's the cookies. Yeah, and don't forget to add your favorite sprinkles. It's your choice. So let's check out the videos and pictures gotten from this delicious, irresistible sugar cookies. There we go. It's so delicious. When I gave it to my sister, she was like, wow. My mom was like, she loves it. And my dad was like, asking for more. So this is good to share with family members. And it's not hard to make. All the ingredients, the basic ingredients are reachable, so you can just easily pick up and just make it on weekends. So this is so good with a cup of tea. So good. So good. And the scent that comes out is just so pleasant. It makes your head kind of calm down. And like you like thinking. So as I said, sweet things is good for lifting your mood. Making you forget your worries. I can tell you that. Enjoying the music? I hope you are. So these are the interesting pictures taken. So when you make your cookies at home, you can comment in the comment box below and tell me how it came out. So don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification button. It's the GM Twins. Have a nice day.